Hey, my name is Vesna and I joined this year's workshops at Zavod Nefix. The workshops were organized really well and they gave me a boost to start exploring the IT field on my own.
In Zavod Nefix, we believe that girls can do IT, so we will continue with these kinds of projects also in the future.